Mary Rose Eroy, or you can call me May. This video is with regards to my application as a virtual assistant to your agency. Now I will start to answer these questions. First, where are you in the Philippines? Currently, I am in Northern Mindanao, Region 10, the province of Misamis Occidental, and a resident in Barangay Palayan, Municipality of Aloran. Second is, could you tell me if you are currently working? And if you are, what are your regular tasks and responsibilities in your current role? After giving birth to a premature baby last February 2024, I decided to transition to a remote work setup better to balance my personal and professional responsibilities. Consequently, I resigned from a role as operations manager and currently manage the point of sale system handled by back office, focusing on